Welcome back. You're with us on Closing Bell. Those Marico numbers on your screen, and they have hit the mark as well. Let's get Mangalam back in for more analysis. Mangalam, what do you think?
Well, they're absolutely in line with what the street was anticipating this time around. I mean, 2278 crores on the top line compares with our poll of 2275 crores. No problems out there. The EBITDA as well, 442 crores. What was the street expecting? 445 crores. Nothing to quibble about in the margins as well. 19.4% versus expectations of 19.6%. And the net profit coming in at 320 crores. And the street is expecting a number of 337 crores. So no real problems out there as well. The only detail that we're awaiting right now is the volume growth. The street was working with a number anywhere between 2 to 3 odd percent, and that's what the company had said in their fourth quarter update as well, that they are seeing low single-digit volume growth. So anything above 3% is something that the street would like in an otherwise absolutely in-line set of numbers. You know, if you look at the India business as well, there was a mild dip in their overall revenue, 1680 crores. This compares with 1683 crores, but there has been a sharp improvement in the margins year on year as well. Gross margins have improved by nearly 420 basis points, something that the company has been talking about earlier as well. And the EBITDA margins have increased despite them having increased their ad spends by about 50 basis points. Ad spends now are closer to 10% of sales as against 9.5% in the same time last quarter. International business, the Bangladesh vertical for them has been doing extremely well. So that's led the growth this time around as well. 7.5% revenue growth is what the company has reported there, with a 25% jump in the EBITDA. And international business also is margin accretive for them. So margins out there from 21% have jumped all the way closer to 25%. So those are good internals coming in, especially from the international end of things. We're awaiting some more details, but as of now, these numbers look like they're in line, and which is why the stock is higher.
Okay, thank you very much for that. That's Marico.